our apartment right now.
And we're gonna have a room tour.
Because it's Tin's 18th birthday and we plan to have a surprise for her. So this is it. So this one says happy birthday. It's pink balloons from Divisoria, something?
From Divisoria, something like that. From Makati or something like that.
Am I
I
right?
think it's from Makati.
Oh, Makati? Okay then. And then over here we have the pillows. The balloons, it says 18, 10. This pop because of Denise. And sad to say, yeah.
That's okay.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's
And
move
over
on.
here,
We have our presents for Tin. And then there's this standing thing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
don't forget to touch it though.
Yeah, it's very fragile. Okay, come on, next. So we have a mirror also. Oh, you see Andrea? See.
That's our camera woman.
Okay, and then we have a chair over here.
That's blocking that door.
And this is the TV. Over here we have
People's things.
who we
And the
don't know.
TV is being watched by
Denise. She's actually having the best moment of her life because she's watching what is that, Adventure Time, and then look at her foot, it's up and all that. Oh, whatever. Okay, over here we have balloons spread it out
And this is my laptop for our video presentation.
for Tin. And then over here, oh, we have Tin's invitation if you want to see. This is her invitation.
Focus mo, gamitin kamay mo para YouTube.
Can you like see it? Is it focusing or something?
Focus na.
Did it focus? Did it focus?
Okay.
Over here,
We have pictures.
hand in twine.
Whatever, Lemon John.
You can like zoom in if you want because those are memorable pictures of,
And those are beautiful pictures of beautiful people.
yeah, especially what side me? Over there.
And this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have a very nice view over here.
Yeah, it's the city. Baby, baby.
All right. Okay, let's move to our next destination.
Inside the blood through to our next destination.
Oh, we also have this microwave.
Beautiful microwave.
If you want to heat something or something like that. Okay, this part is a messy room because we haven't fixed it.
And everyone's bags are here.
We can't move it because it's not ours. Okay, come on. Oh, before we enter the messy room, we're gonna go to the bathroom. Come here, camera woman.
Welcome.
Oh, you can hear the flush. Someone pooped, I think.
That was me.
Oh, that was you. Okay then. If you look here, there's this empty closet because people got the bathrooms and all that.
And
So
there's
let's-
also a majiggy there.
Oh, this one. This is
Hair.
for the hair and all that.
Oh, for the hair.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the other one there?
This one,
It's for the butt.
yeah, it's so that you can,
You warm it after
yeah,
you
just you can actually pick if it's off, low or high.
yeah.
Right now it's off, as you can see, it's not working.
And it's not plugged, so.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Okay.
Let's close this. Oh, this is
The shower.
The shower. If you want to enter.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
If you want to
Don't
enter.
you freaking mess with the.
Oh my god. Stop it. If you want to enter.
That's it. Thank you for watching this video.
What the hell? We're not yet done. We're
we're
not
not
yet
yet
done. Go
done.
to your natural habitat. Come on, come on, come on. Go back. Okay, as you can see, come here, come here. Over here. Oh my god. What is this?
We have someone's.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Let's not just mind it, okay? So we have balloons over here. It's really cute. Come on, move, Denise. You can lie down if you want. Come on, come on.
Okay, just don't hit the pictures. There.
There. Then hold this.
Oh, we forget set up again with the picture.
Okay, we have pictures over here. So